In the heart of the Amazon jungle, there's a river so fiercely hot it can literally boil alive any creature that dares to enter its waters. Known as the Boiling River, its temperature can reach up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a natural wonder that defies belief. This isn't a volcanic phenomenon. Rather, it's fed by geothermal vents deep beneath the Earth's crust, heating the water to dangerous levels. Indigenous legends speak of its mystical origins, but scientists are still unraveling the mystery. Imagine stumbling upon this deadly beauty, where steam rises like a ghostly mist above the canopy, and the jungle's vibrant life teeters dangerously on its scalding banks. It's a place where nature's power is both awe-inspiring and terrifying, a reminder of the Earth's untamed forces. Every ripple and bubble is a testament to the planet's dynamic energy, hidden away in the lush green depths of the Amazon, waiting to scald any unsuspecting visitor enchanted by its serene,